So these two platforms we are using majorly to talk to our friends, our family, and very little selling, technical selling happens on these platforms, right? So you have a Facebook account? You use Facebook?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
and are you on Instagram?
Ah,
And so you must be having a lot of friends on Facebook and Instagram,
yes, yes.
है ना? You might be
Ah,
following lot of people also. So
ah,
these two platforms are the platforms which we are using in everyday life by to talk to our friends and family, right? So there is a third platform which is LinkedIn. Do you have an account on LinkedIn?
I created account, but I'm not using that.
Okay. So
Yes, one or one
LinkedIn is
course.
a professional platform, right? You
Yes.
cannot talk to your friends on LinkedIn. So LinkedIn is most majorly networking with your company employees, company friends, and networking with your bosses, networking with your college friends who are working in different organizations. So LinkedIn gives you an access to their professional life, right?
Right.
And in terms of social media marketing, LinkedIn is a platform which will help business to generate the leads for any business. So LinkedIn is one of the lead generating platforms also when we are talking about business. In terms of IT companies, in terms of technology businesses, the leads can be generated on LinkedIn. Then there is a fourth platform which is purely a lead generating platform, and that is called Google AdWords. So what is Google AdWords? So suppose Desi Crew is a company, right?
Yeah.
And I want to do advertising. I want to sell my services because Desi Crew is a services company, right? So Desi Crew does not have a product. So what we will do, we will create a Google account of Desi Crew. So you cannot create your Google account because you don't want to sell your service personally. So individuals cannot sell on Google ad account. So Google ad accounts is usually for organizations, big organizations or big companies, right?
Yeah.
So now there are different types of companies. There are product companies and there are services companies. So when we are using Facebook and Instagram, so you might be seeing lot of ads related to beauty products, related to cosmetics, clothes, and the items which we are using in our household. So all these types of ads you are seeing in these two platforms, Facebook and Instagram. So Facebook and Instagram is a ad generating or a sales generating platform for our daily day-to-day needs products. I cannot sell Desi Crew services on Facebook. Why? Because my audience is not using Facebook to buy my services. So there is a difference between these four platforms in terms of what we can sell on these platforms. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So the first task which you have to do now is to you have Facebook, you have Insta, you have LinkedIn. So be little active on these 3 platforms. Okay.
Okay.
The second task is, you know what is a hashtag?
Yes, and
You have used hashtag?
ah,
Have you created any post using a hashtag? What do you
no,
usually post on Facebook? What do you usually post? You post your picture, or
yes,
you wish your friends happy birthday,
only.
right?
Uh,
On LinkedIn, how you can post? Have you created any post on LinkedIn yet?
no, ma'am. I
No?
just created account once.
Okay. So in LinkedIn, create a account, complete account with all your professional information. Because you have to put your schooling, your college education, your experience, everything. Right? Then follow Desi Cruz LinkedIn page. Okay?
Okay.
Send me a friend request on LinkedIn.
Okay.
My name is there in the group. You can send me a request on LinkedIn. Alright?
Okay.
Then once you will do that, you have to create one post, or you have to share one post related to any of the technology you are working on. So you can write 2 lines about whatever, and you have to post using a hashtag. So you are working in a Zomato process, right?
Yes.
So uh, you might be using what we can say it, data annotation. So what majorly, which technology, or which category of service you are using when you are working on in your project? Labeling,
Menu building.
menu building, and you are labeling the item.
No, no.
No.
Just I'm right now is QC section.
Okay.
Just checking in Zomato tool what they made,
Mm-hmm.
item price and
Speak. It's okay. Even if you will speak wrong English, it's okay. You'll get little confidence. It's okay. Even if it's wrong English, it's fine. I'll understand.
Zomato guideline.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So when we are using the hashtag, hashtag is used as one of the add-ons for searching a particular keyword. Okay.
Okay.
So suppose even on Facebook we use hashtags. On Instagram, this thing started from Instagram. A lot of people started using hashtags, right? So create a Instagram post using a hashtag. So you can use a hashtag if you are posting your own picture. You can post hashtag sunny day, hashtag it's raining, right? So it can be any word, because you get the pop-up of the keyword when you will put a hashtag and start a word. You will see a pop-up of the word coming. So it means lot of people are searching that keyword, using that keyword with the help of a hashtag. So hashtag categorizes your post in a particular section. Got it? So you create a post using hashtag on Facebook, Instagram and LinkedIn. So this is the first task. So hashtags are very important for any business, because when I am using hashtag for any of the post, you can go to Desi Crew's page after the call. Desi Crew has a LinkedIn page, right? And we do post 2 posts every week. So the posts are something technical, sometimes it is related to fun fact, and sometimes it's related to the general gyan we wanted to give to the world. So every post goes with a different hashtag. So, but there is a common hashtag which we put in all the Desi Crew posts. Those hashtags are hashtag data labeling, hashtag data annotation, hashtag annotation. So the hashtags which are very much related to my industry, the hashtag which defines Desi Crew services. So we use those types of hashtags. Alright.
Okay.
So social media marketing majorly is only about the content which we post on social media. So there is one chapter called social media marketing. We can start with that. Alright, there is one of the topics in the course 301, social media marketing. So I have told you we have 4 basic social media tools. We do post on social media, right? We use something called as hashtag to highlight our post on the social media. So now you have to actively use your 3 social media handles to have little more understanding that what all you can do on these social media platforms. Alright?
Okay.
And also there will be a course which is there in the social media content section. So you can start doing it, and if you have any queries you can ask me, because if you see the syllabus of chapter 3, social media marketing, right? So we have social media monitoring. So social media monitoring is basically what you are posting on social media and what are the results you are getting. Building content strategy for social media. In content strategy, what is content? Content is nothing but what you are posting. So every post you are putting on your social media is the social media content. Alright? So when we are working, suppose I am working on a Desi Crew social media handle. So I create a strategy as how I want Desi Crew to be projected in the market. तो मुझे ये दिखाना है कि देसी क्रू को लोग कैसे परसीव करेंगे. How will they perceive Desi Crew? I want to show that Desi Crew is a services company which do lot of data labeling work, lot of data annotation work, video annotations. So my content will revolve around all my services, right? So the social media content strategy is basically your company's branding strategy. How you want to show the people out there in the world what we are doing. So it is majorly about all these things, right? When you are using your Facebook, you are branding yourself, right? You are telling about yourself. You are posting pictures of yours. When you are going out, you are posting a picture. You are telling the world about yourself, right?
Yeah.
So when we are, same way, when we are, I am handling Desi Crew's account, I am telling people about Desi Crew's services. I am telling people about what Desi Crew does. So it works the same way, right? So this is basically the overall structure that what social media marketing is, majorly the broad line, how it is, how it works, and which major social media platforms we use. Lot of beauty companies, cosmetic companies, and household goods companies, they use Facebook and Instagram to sell their products, and they don't use LinkedIn. because LinkedIn is majorly for services. Alright, so there is a difference in that. When you will read more about it, you will get an understanding that you know how it works. Alright, so you have to be little more active on LinkedIn now. Follow the Desi Crew page, see what is happening there. And if you have any queries regarding hashtags and anything, so you can ask your query in the group.
Okay.
Alright, and then probably we will have the same way outline introduction for another course, and try to make few social media posts for Facebook, Instagram and LinkedIn, two each. So this is one of the tasks. Okay,
Okay.
so make 2 posts each for all these 3 platforms, and you can share it in the group that what you have created, and I will help you to edit it using the hashtags, so that you know how to use the hashtags perfectly. All right.
Okay.
Okay. Any questions?
Ma'am, do you know Kannada?
I don't know. I don't know Kannada. I can only speak Hindi and English. Sandhya, you know Kannada?
No, ma'am, I know only Tamil and English.
Okay.
Ma'am, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, these topics are 101 level, ma'am.
But we have a chapter called Social Media Marketing, chapter number 3, right?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
So in
301
social
now.
media, no, actually what happens, so in social media marketing, we have to tell the basic first, that what is social media platform and how marketing happens. So when he will do this course, he will understand now.
Okay, ma'am, okay, ma'am.
So this is just the basic
Okay,
guideline, and he can start with the chapter 3,
okay, ma'am.
because that is easier one,
Okay, ma'am.
right?
Right, ma'am.
So Swastik, if you have any queries, you have to post in the group. Even if it's wrong or tuta-futa English, it's fine. You have to be little more vocal. Practice little English, because that is what will give you little more confidence. Because we have to work on English,
Okay.
right? So when you will create your social media post, you will think in English, right?
I know English, but I can't talk English.
When you will speak often in English, no, then you can talk.
Yeah.
So if I speak 4 sentences, you can at least reply back in 1 sentence, no?
Yeah.
It's okay. So that's fine. It's just about understanding. It's just about communicating more. You'll be more when you're talking to me during these 5-6 weeks.